You can tell us more about the rain museum.
The rain museum, once it is completed, you will see. When you are inside the museum, you'll really feel that you'll really feel that you are in the rain museum, because it is designed in such a way. The roof is designed in such a way that when the rain is stuck in the roof, and the rain from the roof will fall on the will fall on the surface, you will see that it's a new wonderful of a pouring of rain from the roof to the ground.
So what is the total cost of the project?
27 crore.
So what are the features? What would be the...
There will be some around the rain museum. There will be something like a pool, something like that, so that when the rain drops from the rooftop, it will fall in the pool, and you see the splashing of the rain, and you see the wonder of it.
So is there any environmental destruction due to this?
No,
Museum.
as I said that we have to, destruction should be there, because we have to because the building unit, when it takes place, we have to occupy the space. So we occupy the space. So while that space which is going to be occupied, we have to do land leveling, soil disturbance with the topsoil. We have to, that we cannot avoid.
So least is affected least.
Least affected, because also it is set up. It is constructed in the barren land. It is not in the 5 grade soil, which is a non-arable land.